Creating an effective diet plan for weight loss and long-term health. Welcome to this video where we'll walk you through the essentials of creating a diet plan that supports healthy weight loss and long-term wellness. Whether you're just starting your journey or looking for ways to make your diet more effective without feeling overwhelmed, this video has you covered. Today we'll discuss the principles of balanced nutrition, practical eating strategies, real-life examples, and precautions to keep in mind. Let's dive in. Embarking on a healthier lifestyle begins with understanding why a structured and balanced diet plan matters. A good diet plan isn't just about losing weight. It's about forming habits that benefit your physical and mental well-being in the long run. Firstly, a personalized and balanced diet ensures your body gets the nutrients it needs to function at its best. It prevents deficiencies, boosts your energy levels, and enhances mental clarity. Over time, it can also lower the risk of chronic conditions such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and obesity. Unlike fad diets that promise fast results but often lead to frustration, creating a sustainable plan allows you to enjoy food without guilt. You'll also build a healthier relationship with food, recognizing it as fuel for your body rather than a source of stress. Let's begin by exploring the foundational principles of a healthy diet plan. By paying attention to these, you'll set the stage for long-term success. Balanced nutrition should always be the cornerstone of your diet. This means including the 3 essential macronutrients in your meals. Proteins. These are crucial for building and repairing tissues. Lean meats like chicken, fish, plant-based sources like beans and lentils, and even eggs help to keep you full longer, reducing overeating. 2. Carbohydrates. Not all carbs are created equal. Focus on complex carbs like whole grains, brown rice, and sweet potatoes, which release energy slowly and keep you feeling satisfied. 3. Healthy fats. These are often misunderstood. Incorporate sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil to support your body's vital functions. Variety is important too. Think of eating the rainbow, incorporating colorful fruits and vegetables to cover a wide array of vitamins and minerals. Finally, moderation ensures you control your portions and enjoy your favorite foods without overindulging. Striking this balance prevents feelings of deprivation that lead to binge eating. Now that you know what makes up a healthy diet, let's get into the how. These practical strategies will help you implement these principles into your daily life. To build a balanced plate, follow these simple guidelines. Fill half your plate with vegetables and fruits. This should include options like spinach, broccoli, carrots, and berries. They are low in calories but high in fiber and nutrients. 1/4 of your plate should consist of lean protein, such as grilled chicken, baked fish, tofu, beans, or eggs. The remaining 1/4 should include complex carbohydrates, such as quinoa, brown rice, or whole grain bread. Add a small portion of healthy fats, such as a drizzle of olive oil or a few slices of avocado to round it out. Eating consistently throughout the day can boost your metabolism and prevent excessive hunger that leads to overeating. Aim for 3 well-balanced meals and 1 or 2 small snacks. Kickstart your day with a nourishing breakfast like oatmeal topped with berries, nuts, and a dollop of yogurt. Keep your lunch moderately lighter, such as a quinoa salad bowl with grilled chicken and mixed greens. Choose a hearty but not heavy dinner, like baked salmon with roasted vegetables and a side of brown rice. Consider whether intermittent fasting appeals to you. Some find it helpful for managing hunger, but it's not for everyone. The key is to find a schedule that aligns with your body's needs. Planning your meals ahead of time is a game changer for staying on track. Dedicate 1 or 2 days a week to prepping meals in batches. For example, roast a batch of assorted vegetables. Cook a pot of quinoa or brown rice. Grill or bake several portions of chicken or tofu. Store them in meal-sized portions to make assembling balanced meals easy, even on busy days. Portion sizes can make or break a diet plan, regardless of how healthy the food itself is. Use simple tricks like serving food on smaller plates or bowls to visually trick your mind into feeling satisfied. When you're dining out, consider splitting a dish or saving half for later. Visual aids can help. 1 serving of protein is roughly the size of your palm, while a portion of carbs should be no larger than a fist. Mindful eating is all about being present during meals. Take time to chew your food, savor the flavors, and recognize when you're feeling full. Avoid distractions like TV or scrolling on your phone. Instead, focus solely on your meal. This practice not only helps with proper digestion, but also prevents overeating born out of mindlessness. Here are a few examples of meals that align with the principles discussed. Breakfast: a spinach and mushroom omelet cooked with olive oil, paired with a slice of whole grain toast and some fresh berries. Lunch: a large salad with mixed greens, grilled chicken, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and olive oil-based vinaigrette dressing, served with a side of quinoa. Snack: a handful of mixed nuts and an apple or veggie sticks dipped in hummus. Dinner: a serving of baked salmon, roasted Brussels sprouts, and a small portion of mashed sweet potato. Make modifications to suit your tastes, dietary restrictions, or cultural preferences. The key is to enjoy what you're eating while still keeping it balanced. As you create your diet plan, it's important to be mindful of a few potential pitfalls. Avoid cutting calories too drastically, as it can lead to fatigue and nutrient deficiencies. Instead, create a small but consistent calorie deficit that supports gradual weight loss. Pay attention to food labels to avoid hidden sugars and processed additives. Products labeled low-fat or fat-free often compensate with added sugars that hinder progress. Address emotional eating by finding non-food stress relief options like exercise, journaling, or meditation. Consider having a healthcare professional or dietitian evaluate your plan, especially if you have specific medical conditions or dietary needs. Remember that weight loss is rarely linear. Plateaus are normal. Stay patient and continue following your plan. Small, consistent changes will add up over time. Let's clear up a few common misconceptions about dieting. Carbs are not your enemy. Complex carbohydrates are essential for energy, especially when consumed in moderation. Low fat isn't always better. Healthy fats are vital, and fat-free products often substitute with harmful additives. Quick fixes are rarely sustainable. Detox diets or extremely restrictive plans may lead to temporary weight loss, but they often result in frustration and regain. To recap, creating an effective diet plan is all about balance, sustainability, and mindfulness. Focus on incorporating all essential food groups, listening to your hunger cues, and making gradual changes that work with your lifestyle. Remember, this is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Long-term health and weight management come from consistency and making choices that you can maintain for life. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips, and feel free to share your goals or questions in the comments below. You've got this. Take one step at a time, and soon you'll notice positive changes in both your body and overall well-being.